Prove that secant A into 1 minus sin A into secant A plus tan A is equal to 1. Take the LHS. Secant A is equal to 1 by cos A. 1 minus sin A as it is. Again secant A is equal to 1 by cos A plus tan A is sin A divided by cos A. Close the bracket. 1 into 1 minus sin A, that is 1 minus sin A divided by cos A. Again cos A is the LCM. So you add the numerator 1 plus sin A. Next 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A, that is equal to, that is formula A minus B into A plus B. A square minus B square. Cos A into cos A, that is cos square A. Again 1 minus sin square A is equal to cos square A. 1 square is 1, so it is 1 minus sin square A, that is equal to cos square A divided by cos square A. You cancel both, that is equal to 1 is equal to RHS.